Back here again, where we rested the first time. We went all the way down. What is that noise? We went all the way down, and on the way back up, we heard tree knocks. It went pow, 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 against a tree over there across the creek. And we were coming up, and this guy was coming down through there. First person we've seen all day. It scared the crap out of me. And he said, "What'd you think I was, a bear?" He didn't have anything but an umbrella. No water, nothing. My head's hurting as it is because I didn't drink enough water and I've gotten hot. But then after we got right here, we was trying to sit down and take a break because we got a lot of uphill to go still, and it's like 92 degrees today, and the humidity is like 92%, and it's a bad day to go hiking, but caves were cool. But anyway, we stopped right here and we kept hearing something going. What was it doing, honey? That woo 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 woo. And then we heard something else, but we couldn't make it out. And it was too far away for the camera to pick it up. Unless, I guess, it had headphones on or something. But there was Bigfoot sign all down through there. Tree breaks and stuff, wasn't there, honey?
Yeah. Once you get out past the caves and go across the creek, you get that eerie feeling.
Yeah.
And right there where we crossed the creek at, that was where we smelt something.
Mm-hmm. It smelled bad.
It was awful.
And then whenever we went on down through there, that's when something was walking through the woods, and it wasn't four-legged. It had two legs. Oh, God. Something just bit the pee out of me.
Walking parallel. But it was up higher on the...
Yeah, it was up higher on the ridge following us. And there was nothing making a sound either, remember? No bugs, no birds, nothing. Everything was very quiet. It was very eerie.
I don't have that feeling anymore now.
I feel like it's down through there. I ain't going back down through there. I believe this was my one and only hike down through here. Yeah. It is really, really hot. I mean, it may not be that bad in the winter.
I just didn't really care much for the experience.
Yeah, there's a lot of downhill on the way there, but a lot of uphill on the way back.
Well, I'm talking about weird sounds, tree knocks, footsteps.
Scare you, that tree knock?
No, it didn't scare me. I was just trying to figure out.
Because it was close.
Yeah, it was probably within 80 yards. I was just trying to figure it out.
How much longer you want to wait?
I want to take a break.
Okay.
I'm burning up, and that pack is heavy.
Give me a water out of it. Is this still got water in it? Good. It's quiet. Too quiet.
Very quiet.
There's a bird. No. What are you gonna do? Whoop? Oh.
What?
You got that bird hollering.
Well, that's good.
What time is it? 4:04. Wonder if that dude didn't need water and stuff because he's actually a dog man. Turns into a werewolf.
Really?
Yeah.
It was weird. The only thing he said, thought I was a bear. And just kept going.
I said, yeah.
He better be glad he wasn't a bear.
That's your pepper spray.
That's my pepper spray. What?
Nothing.